Hey YouTube, have you ever wondered what a shoutout is? Shoutout, well, I don't really know how to explain it, but I learned a lot when I started searching like shoutouts on YouTube. My first shoutout was May 24th, 2012. Yeah, so today, I don't know why I just said all that stuff. It has nothing to do with, well, kind of today. It kind of does, actually. Okay, I'm going to do a shoutout today to Craigo Sports. You should check them out. If you don't, well, yeah, gotta really check them out. Develop this. Well, you should know. If there's a gun, the person with the gun always wins. Check them out right now. Go there right now. Bye.